Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of The Sea Life. If you're just joining us, we have chartered a catamaran in Thailand and have been sailing the Andaman Sea. The first few days were really rough, but finally things got better as we set sail to clearer waters. And on this episode, we set sail for Koh Ha, also known as Five Islands, and then off to Koh Rock. This area is incredible for snorkeling and seclusion, just what we wanted, and we couldn't wait to see all that it had to offer. This is the story of a family of four traveling the world as often as possible, sharing their adventures. Join us all on this season as we find exciting new places to explore, living this crazy life on the go. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and then also get notified when we release new videos. It really helps us out a lot. Go, go, go! Fish. Is there a fish? Yay! Shut that, Des. Des, shut the door. Oh, I see it. See it flapping. Okay, baby, scoot back. So we can get back.
I know it's alive.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh my gosh, look at that! Yay! We've got fishy!
Eating.
Get it, girl! Get it, girl!
It's so
Yeah, it's hard. Gotta keep reeling it, otherwise it's gonna cut off of there.
I need help.
You can do it.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, it will. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Hold on. See your fish.
My fish. It's me and Des's fish.
Nicely done. Okay, put it in the bucket.
Okay.
I thought that was a fish or something.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job.
Island.
Ha Island. That's 5 islands? Yeah?
That's fine.
Are we gonna get hit by that rain?
Maybe.
Maybe. Looking pretty dark out there. It'll be an interesting one to experience. Oh, that water is really pretty in there. Is it so clear? Woo! I have the gimbal on the camera, so I don't even know if you can see how bumpy it is. Let me see some of your stings. Are they appropriate? Oh my gosh. Wow, babe. No, yeah, your left one's worse, way worse.
Front and side.
Oh, not fun at all.
Tell me about it.
Well, see what had happened was we got in the water.
Back.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to put on your wetsuit.
I had half of it on. I still stumbled through it.
You didn't have the bottoms on though. As soon as we got to the beach, two people on paddleboards also came ashore. We heard a very recognizable voice. No way could we run into this guy, Alfonso Ribeiro, in the middle of Thailand with Emma Slater from Dancing with the Stars. Once we realized who they were, out of respect, we didn't film them or take pictures. But what are the odds that we were all chartering cats and sailing around Thailand? I talked with Alfonso and his friends for almost 2 hours that day. They were very kind, and he is exactly how you would think he would be. River was also super excited to be able to swim with other kids.
There's Jamie out there, schmoozing uber rich people. They showed up on a cat called 007. I believe that's Alfonso out there from AFV. Yeah, I can't remember his last name. Seems like a very nice guy. My kids love AFV, so do I. There's nothing funnier than watching people get whacked on videos. Good times. And we're playing in the mud. Oh, come on! Burying our feet in the mud. Schmoozing people. Feet schmoozing.
This was by far the clearest water we saw on the whole charter. Even with the clouds, the water was incredible. Okay, Dad, showtime's done.
No, somewhere.
That's what I did, because I was so tired. There we go. Got it. Yeah. It's hard when the fins don't fit all the way. Woo!
Alright, boat time.
Good morning, and today is Easter Sunday, and believe it or not, the Easter Bunny found us all the way out here in the middle of the water. So I'm about to go wake up River and Desmond and have them go search for their Easter treasures. Guess what today is? Easter. And guess what? The Easter Bunny came. Yeah. Are you gonna get up? All right, I gotta go wake your brother up.
How did he come?
I don't know, but he found us in the middle of Thailand. Go get your dad.
What is this?
Let me see if your brother's awake. Good morning. Ooh, why is your room so hot? It's really hot in here, yo.
I don't know.
Guess what today is?
What?
Easter.
No eggs to have.
The Easter Bunny found us all the way out here.
No way.
Yahweh. I just got your sister up. Come on. See if you guys can find all the Easter eggs.
Oh.
Come here. You gotta read your note.
I didn't even know noticed that.
Who doesn't? And you were hard to find with all your travels. You have been so good at. As a tree, I have hidden 20 eggs. Hope you can find them. God bless the servant.
We're keeping that.
Okay, you know what? I bet you he left you this little basket to put all the eggs in.
So there's 20.
There's 20 eggs.
I think I
Found
one.
one.
And the chocolate honey.
Oh wait, there's one in here, please. I found it.
Can you believe the Easter Bunny found us out here in the middle of the water?
Skipped all the way here. It's probably what woke me up at about 1:30 in the morning.
But Mom really likes to drink what?
Wine.
And what does she need to do to get into the wine bottle?
Open the cabinet.
How does she get into the wine bottle?
Sobbing it.
With oh, I think I
Can
was.
opener.
With a wine bottle opener.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, there we go.
One left.
Training my kids well.
Found it.
You guys found all of them.
Leave cake.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Ta-da.
How did he find us all the way out here?
How?
9.
Easter Bunny, come back so you can play Slapjack.
Wait,
I think he'd probably get us.
10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so you found them all.
Ah,
So if you've watched our other episodes, you know that we have a lot of problems with like our masts fogging up and things like that. And we've read probably every single blog, we've read everybody's reviews and everything. And the one thing that seems to be working the best is No More Tears baby shampoo. We used it all day yesterday and I never fogged up. So hopefully this is the answer to our prayers so that we can really continue to enjoy our snorkels and our dives. Seems to be working, and I'm very excited to be here. I think we're in Cove Rock, and it is absolutely gorgeous out here today. You can see we're about 10 meters deep and you can see all the way down, and I think we're just going to swim in here and see what fishies we can find and enjoy the water because it's hot.
They do kind of say that Johnson & Johnson's is actually not that good for the environment,
Oh,
but
well shit.
I can't imagine it's any worse
Than any of that other stuff?
all this other garbage that we have tried. I mean, from spit to dish soap to all that other, I can't imagine it's any worse than that. So,
No, I feel bad.
What do you feel bad for?
Well, if it's not good for the environment,
That?
I guess. But it works. Ooh, now we're in a conundrum.
Maybe you just grab a bucket and then you could dip it in.
Maybe. Joel's getting the silicone around his
beak.
and all of his hair. It's the only thing that
My
stops
legs look like hamburger.
Your legs look awful.
My legs look like awful.
Sea lice are just, I am a tasty, tasty morsel.
You are.
Me too. Hey, look at it. I can cut it. Oh. See, you cannot see the bottom. We're leaving, Dad. I'm just sitting. My poodle. I'm standing on my noodle.
Des wasn't feeling well today, so he stayed behind to rest, and he missed out. This is exactly what we had been begging for. Secluded area with incredible marine life. This island stole our hearts. The coral was the most vibrant we had seen so far. The clams and the fishies were so lively and entertaining. And it seems as though seeing sea crates is good luck, because every time we see them, we're on an incredible adventure. Wow. I think this is what you call paradise. So soft. Oh my god.
That might be a sticky. My foot.
Look at that. Oh, I don't know if you can see how deep it is because of the water. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow! I stepped in one of Dad's footprints and it was so deep. In the water, my feet.
Oh my gosh. How deep that is.
My knee is on the floor and it's just. I see swordfish.
It's on.
I'm going to grab the. Stay still. He's sticky.
Yeah, they're stuck on there.
I want.
Yeah, you can see them moving.
Let's go. Those tracks are.
Snake? Lizard?
Not a snake. Crab, maybe? Whatever those tracks are. Like right there.
Track?
See these tracks?
Maybe they're crab tracks.
I think so. Or some kind of crustacean.
Hi. We're getting into a rocky area.
Dad found a rock. I want the world to know. I found a rock to show.
That's my noodle! Noodle! You kicked my noodle out of my hand.
When it got too rocky to walk, we had Bon, our captain, take us up the channel further, and from there we made our way back to the boat. It was beautiful. However, the schmag, as Joel calls it, was really bad, which decreased visibility. This also gave us a good opportunity to practice our diving to get closer to the coral. We didn't let the schmag ruin our time, but it did come at a price later that evening. We didn't realize at the time, but the schmag we were swimming in tore us apart. We got stung so many times, and Joel and River got it the worst. As soon as we got on board, our friends from yesterday showed up. We never thought that we would see them again, but here we are, 2 days in a row. After a nice lunch, we decided to grab a drink and head to the beach to hang out with them again.
Kind of going far out.
Well, so they're mooring down there, honey.
Yeah, which is fine.
Maybe we can move up with them.
No, we're not going to move up with them. Maybe It's not like they're far. Bye. Look at that schmag in the water.
Yeah.
Ew.
So unique.
Yeah.
That's what we were swimming in. It's gross. You can watch me fall.
Yeah. Up
Yes.
there. Step it.
Hot, hot, hot. Yes. Hot on my butt. All right, bag, camera, paddles. Oh, I am not paddling.
Princess doesn't paddle.
I'm not paddling.
Bye.
Bye. All right, paddle me, boy.
Paddle me, boy.
Let's go. Sorry. Ah!
Oh man, that was a bad one, wasn't it? Weird.
I almost got it in my drink, you ass. Actually, it feels really.
Good at this.
It actually feels really good.
I'm really struggling. You must got a paddling impediment or something.
At the beach, River was able to play with all the kids, and Joel and I got to have much needed adult conversations. Again, we turned the cameras off out of respect, and it was also nice to take a break from filming. Okay, we gotta beat him, let's go! Yeah, let's go! We gotta beat him! Ah! This is how I'm helping. We're gonna get you! We're catching up! Yeah, we are! Aw, man! You beat us! Are they drifting into us, Cap?
It's good.
They're pretty close.
It's okay.
Is that normal?
No.
No. I like that you're like, no. I didn't think it was. I haven't seen it being normal so far.
Yeah, I see this guy clean the boat.
Oh, he was cleaning the boat?
Yes.
Where is he now?
Now in the water.
He's in the water?
Yes.
But are they still on their mooring ball though? Are they still hooked up?
No.
I mean, because usually they're not that close.
Is she?
She's in the dinghy.
Right, the dinghy.
She's in the dinghy,
Yes.
and they're just floating. Oh yeah.
In the boat.
Yeah, I see him now. I don't own a boat, so I can honestly tell you, I don't know. Maybe that's the way you do things. Maybe you unhook from your mooring ball and then you clean the bottom of your boat. And that's the way things are done. I don't know. Yachties out there, comment below. Let me know. Is that what you're supposed to do? Is that how you do it? That way we know if someday we buy a boat, like we're gonna be like unhooking out of our mooring ball and cleaning and just drifting around. I asked Vaughn, I said, is that normal? And he goes, no. I don't know. Babe, drama on the high seas.
Yeah, boat's nose.
I love drama on the high seas. Makes me happy. It's like, I don't need to watch TV. Got it out my window, yo. Qatar, what are you cooking in here?
But this broken.
Oh no! You used it too much yesterday, huh? Making all of Desmond's mashed potatoes. Nice. So I see shrimp and broccoli and baby corn. Mm-hmm. Oh, Desmond's gonna be so happy. Look at you doing that by hand. You're just stellar.
I itch.
Oh no. this the nightly rub down?
I itch.
No.
Can you open that, Mom?
Everybody got stung, except for Mom. So what are you putting on her back?
Vinegar.
Is it working? No?
It just stings more.
Yeah, it seems to work better in bed. Work better in the alcohol bit.
It worked better on your legs, babe?
Right where?
Right?
Gosh, you guys had rash guards on. So which one hurts? That one right there?
Maybe you just flip the other way?
That one hurts?
Yeah.
So the air conditioner in Desmond's room stopped working earlier today, but he wasn't feeling well. So he didn't really care. But they just had him move to the aft cabin because they wanted to work on the air conditioner. So let's see if it's another jellyfish. Or poo.
Sorry? Or poo.
So what's going on with it? Is it a jellyfish?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh my gosh, you have the whole bedroom torn apart. What? What's going on? It's just not cooling.
Yeah.
But the back bedroom's cooling. Just not the front.
In the front.
Yeah, but the back is okay.
In the back is okay.
But not the front.
Yeah.
Okay. You're down in a hole. Oh my gosh, it's all frozen solid. All that condensation. Oh dear.
Yeah, it's the air conditioner.
Yeah, so like the whole outside of the air conditioning unit is completely frosted over with ice.
Yeah, so it's just froze up.
But how does that happen? Like, how does the outside get froze up like that?
Because usually it's not expelling enough heat outside. I'm trying to think of the easiest way to explain it, but
Okay.
it uses gas under high pressure. The high pressure expands. That's what makes it cold.
Okay.
So as it accelerates and expands, the gas gets cold, flows cold air, stuff like that. Well, then it eventually has to get hot again because the compressor has to pack it down into the high pressure part before it expands. Well, that's where it needs to dissipate the heat, if I remember right. And if it's not dissipating that heat, which means through the water,
Mm-hmm.
so the water pump's blocked and it's not circulating it, it will just cause it to freeze up.
Join us on the next episode for an unforgettable last 2 days on the boat. You do not want to miss it. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon, where you can support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more, just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.